in today's tutorial, make sure you guys have disable or turn off camera access on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, come back with settings, open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath app permissions, select camera. Whereas this camera access near the top, just toggle this to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.